different. Where have you been? Where have you gone? What did you win?
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. For those of you who are new, my name is Kristen and today I'm going to be finishing up my fall DIYs for the year. So this is the very last one. So if you guys still have some crafts laying around that you guys wanted to do for fall, or you bought things and you're like, wow, why did I buy this? Yeah, I'm with you guys. I'm totally with you. Also, today I'm going to be collabing with Heidi from Happily Thriving Heidi. I am so glad I said that right. I feel like I've been practicing that and it's like such a tongue twister. But you guys, if you guys don't know who she is, or you guys haven't checked out her channel, make sure you do. I will leave her video and her channel link in the description box below. She does some DIYs. She does a lot of like really like motivational like cleaning videos. She does all sorts of really fun videos. So you guys make sure you go and check her out. I really love her channel. I really love her content. So down below, description box, make sure you go and check her out. But you guys, let's get on with the last of the fall DIYs for the year. So for the first DIY, I'm just gonna be using these pumpkins from the Dollar Tree. I just took off all of the bows and then I just used Waverly chalk paint in white and then just started painting them all white. If you guys are like me, you picked up a bunch of these too because everybody on YouTube bought them and you thought they were cute, and then you had them laying around because you did not know what to do with them. So this whole video is for everybody who bought too many craft supplies for fall and then has yet to use all of them. I know it's not even Thanksgiving or Halloween yet, but the YouTube community is pretty much done doing fall DIYs. So this is for all those people who have a million fall crafts left over and want to use them. So like I said, I just took the Waverly chalk paint in white and then just painted all of these. I did sand down the lettering before I did this as well, just because it is so hard painting over sparkles and glitter and all those things like that. So yeah, just do a little painting, and I don't know, sometimes this is so therapeutic. Other times I just get really annoyed. And then I just took this celery color in the Waverly chalk paint as well. It's called Celery, and I really like this color. Maybe it wasn't celery, maybe it was moss. I get the two mixed up. Obviously, I didn't have a clip of knowing what I did. Maybe it was the moss one. I want to say, yeah, probably that. Either way, they both are really cool looking, and I love both of the colors. I like using chalk paint because I only had to do 2 coats of each, and they're kind of slappy as you can see, but I liked it that way, so that's the way I left it. And then I just took the Waverly wax in Antique. I use this so much, and I kind of just started dry brushing and brushing around the edges, and then I was just going to do the edges, and I was like, this looks cute, right? And then I was like, this is just not enough. So then I just went a little crazy and just dry brushed the entire thing, and I like it so much better, and I'm glad I didn't do just the edges because I love the outcome of these.
Are you listening? Is it too late? My dear friend, we felt the sunshine, we found the gold. We thought we'd be forever young, but now I know we can't keep floating.
And a couple of these ended up being some of my favorites. This one was actually one of my favorites, and I did do the edges and I did do some of the stems as well. I did leave the stems just one color. You can see I totally forgot to do the back side of this and it's still white, but I honestly left it like that, and I kind of painted it a little brown just so I didn't mess up. I got this ribbon from Dollar Tree a little while ago, and I've never been able to find it since. You can tell I did not do the back sides of these because I'm going to be laying them in a little crate or like a little box or a little toolbox. I'm going to be putting them into something, so that's why I didn't do the backs. Do the backs. So I didn't paint the backs. And then this is what it looks like when they're all done. I think the ribbon just gave it a little bit of extra, and then the other ones I did just add the ribbon back to it. That is what they came with, and I thought they were cute. And then this is what I ended up putting them in. I think this is so cute, and I forgot I even had this decor. I actually found this in a closet and decided I really need to use it. This Thankful and Blessed pumpkin is the next DIY I'm going to be doing. So there's nothing really wrong with it, although I kind of am like more like plain Jane, and I just don't like the sparkles a whole lot. I'm using the same color. I want to say this is the moss in Waverly chalk paint. And I just flipped it over because I did not want to do sanding. Actually, I think my husband did sand this one. I feel like I have done these DIYs quite a while ago and I forgot what I was doing. I'm almost 100% positive my husband sanded everything completely down for me with this one. Actually, I know he did. But I'm just going to be painting the whole thing. I'm not a big fan of doing the lines and stuff with the pumpkins just because I'm really not that great at doing it. So I just thought I would leave it plain. Just this color. I just really, really like it. And then I got these letters from Dollar Tree. I think this is like everything is from Dollar Tree in this video. Like every single thing I use. And then I just kind of measured everything out to the center and I just started going around the M. So everything was perfectly lined up and nice and centered. I did have to recenter the patch. You can tell that the T is not in the center, but I did redo that off camera because that was driving me crazy. I did add the leaf and the bow back, and then I did just take a arrow that I got from the Dollar Tree and I just added it right to the middle, and I really love how this turned out. I think it's so simple yet so cute.
We have to fall. This is the beat of broken hearts. Is it all lost? We can go on again. 'Cause you seem like you want it bad. My head is spinning off the edge. And I'm giving in way too fast, way too fast.
This third DIY is just one of these wreath forms or wreaths from Dollar Tree. And I'm just going to be taking some burlap ribbon and I'm just going to be cutting it and just hot gluing it right in the center. I think this is really cute. It kind of is like a nice little banner. I had, like I said, all this left over and I just really wanted to use some of it, although I did not get to use every single fall piece that I wanted. I had this little galvanized harvest and I just put that right in the middle with some hot glue. These are a ton of floral I had left over, and I was trying to go for a theme in the beginning, so you guys see like a lot of that green. I really liked that, although I know this all doesn't match. I was trying to be like a matching video and everything like look cute and matchy-matchy, but it didn't end up that way. So I had these yellow flowers. I think these were probably actually from the spring. I'm reusing them from something else, but I thought that they kind of looked fall color, fallish, so I just decided to just hot glue them all around. This is the flower I had most of, so that is what I went with to go all the way around. I was thinking about covering up the burlap around the edges, and then I just didn't for some reason. I don't know if I should go back and use the rest of the yellow flowers I have to go all around it, but I didn't yet. So let me know if I should. And then these are just pieces that I clipped from different little bouquets and like little picks and everything from Walmart, Dollar Tree, you name it. I have all these floral flowers left over from last year and this year, so why not use them? These cute little purple mums, I want to say they're mums. Those came from Walmart this year, and I just put a couple all around, and this is the way the wreath turned out. I'm a wreath fan. I love making them. I think this turned out really, really cute.
My dear friend, you know I give in. Been waiting so long to feel it. All of these years, I've been listening. All you also know.
And for this last little DIY, I guess this one isn't really a DIY. I got this little basket from Hobby Lobby after spring, threw some raffia in there, and I'm just putting a fun little basket together of just leftover items that I had. I had tons of pine cones, some of these pumpkin clips, and I know that I'll reuse these next year, so I think that why not just put them in a little basket, make everything look cute, and just set it on your table or your counter or a shelf. And I got these little corns last year from the Dollar Tree. I don't know if they had them this year, but I really liked them. I had some of these little burlap leaves, and yeah, I just kind of threw everything together, and I love the way this turned out. So this is super easy, super simple, and anybody can actually do this, so what's not to love about that? But anyways, you guys, that's it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please make sure you give it a thumbs up. And if you guys are coming over from Heidi's channel, I would love if you guys would stick around and so you don't miss out on any more of my DIYs. And if you guys haven't checked out Heidi's video, make sure you go over there right now and check it out. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.